Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to Healthy Food Channel. Did you know that castor oil has been used for centuries for its amazing health and beauty benefits? Castor oil isn't just any ordinary oil. It's a powerhouse packed with goodness for your skin, hair, and overall well-being. Tonight, we're diving into the 10 incredible reasons why you should make castor oil your bedtime buddy. From glowing skin to luscious hair, get ready to discover the secrets of this magical elixir. But wait, before we dive into the benefits, make sure you've subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on healthy living tips. Alright, let's get started. Number 10. Skin Health Benefits. Moisturizes and hydrates the skin. Castor oil works wonders as a natural moisturizer, deeply penetrating the skin to provide hydration from within. Its thick consistency forms a protective barrier, preventing moisture loss and leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. Say goodbye to dry, flaky skin as castor oil locks in moisture, keeping your skin glowing and healthy. Reduces acne and breakouts. If you struggle with acne-prone skin, castor oil can be your saving grace. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help combat acne-causing bacteria while soothing irritated skin. By regulating oil production, castor oil helps unclog pores and prevent future breakouts. Regular use can lead to clearer, smoother skin, boosting your confidence and leaving you with a radiant complexion. Fades scars and stretch marks. Whether it's acne scars or stretch marks, castor oil offers a natural solution for minimizing their appearance. Rich in fatty acids and antioxidants, castor oil promotes tissue repair and regeneration, helping to fade scars and stretch marks over time. Massaging castor oil onto affected areas improves blood circulation and encourages the growth of healthy skin cells, gradually reducing the visibility of scars and stretch marks. With consistent use, you can achieve smoother, more even-toned skin, restoring your confidence and embracing your natural beauty. Number 9. Hair Care Benefits. Stimulates hair growth. Tired of dealing with slow-growing or thinning hair? Castor oil might just be the solution you've been looking for. Packed with nutrients like vitamin E, minerals, and fatty acids, castor oil nourishes the scalp, promoting healthy hair growth. Its antimicrobial properties also help to keep the scalp free from infections, creating an optimal environment for hair follicles to thrive. Regularly massaging castor oil into the scalp stimulates blood circulation, delivering essential nutrients to the hair follicles and encouraging new hair growth. Say hello to longer, thicker locks with the help of castor oil. Strengthens hair follicles. Say goodbye to hair fall and breakage as castor oil strengthens hair follicles from the roots, making your hair stronger, thicker, and more resilient against damage, conditions, and softens hair. Transform dry and dull hair into silky smooth strands with castor oil's conditioning properties. It penetrates deep into the hair shaft, locking in moisture and leaving your hair irresistibly soft and manageable. With these hair-loving benefits, incorporating castor oil into your nightly hair care routine can help you achieve the strong, healthy, and luscious locks you've always desired. Number 8. Anti-inflammatory properties. Discover the soothing relief of castor oil for your aches and pains. Relieves muscle and joint pain. Say goodbye to discomfort. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties work wonders for relieving muscle and joint pain, providing much-needed relief after a long day or an intense workout. Soothes inflammation from arthritis. Don't let arthritis slow you down. Castor oil's soothing properties help ease inflammation associated with arthritis, providing comfort and mobility so you can keep doing what you love. Experience the natural healing power of castor oil as it gently eases away your aches and pains, allowing you to move with ease and comfort. Number 7. Sleep Aid. Drift off into dreamland with the soothing effects of castor oil. Promotes relaxation and deep sleep. Say goodbye to tossing and turning. Castor oil helps calm your mind and body, promoting relaxation and paving the way for a deep and restorative sleep. Say hello to waking up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Reduces insomnia and promotes restful sleep. Kiss sleepless nights goodbye. Castor oil's natural properties help reduce insomnia by calming the nervous system and easing stress and anxiety, ensuring you enjoy a restful and uninterrupted night's sleep. With castor oil as your sleep companion, you can say goodbye to sleepless nights and hello to sweet dreams and restful slumber. Number 6. Immune System Boost. Give your body the defense it deserves with the immune-boosting power of castor oil. Rich in antioxidants, castor oil is a treasure trove of antioxidants, helping your body fight off free radicals that can harm your cells and weaken your immune system. These antioxidants provide a protective shield, keeping your body in top-notch condition. Enhances immune function. Support your body's natural defenses. Castor oil doesn't just ward off free radicals. It actively enhances your immune function, helping your body better resist and combat infections and illnesses. Harness the immune-boosting properties of castor oil to fortify your body and keep your immune system strong and resilient. With castor oil, you're not just treating symptoms. You're empowering your body's natural ability to stay healthy. Number 5. Anti-aging effects. Turn back the hands of time with the age-defying benefits of castor oil. Minimizes wrinkles and fine lines. Say hello to youthful skin. Castor oil works wonders in reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by deeply hydrating the skin, plumping up the skin cells, and promoting collagen production for smoother and more youthful-looking skin. Improves skin elasticity. Keep your skin firm and supple. Castor oil boosts skin elasticity by nourishing and strengthening the skin structure, helping to prevent sagging and maintaining a more youthful and vibrant complexion. With castor oil as your secret weapon, you can defy the signs of aging and embrace a complexion that radiates youthfulness and vitality. Number 4. Wound healing properties. Harness the healing power of castor oil for faster recovery. Speeds up the healing process of wounds and cuts. Castor oil acts as a natural healer, accelerating the body's natural healing process for wounds and cuts. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation, promote tissue regeneration, and speed up the closure of wounds, allowing you to heal faster and more effectively. Prevents infection. Keep wounds clean and protected. Castor oil forms a protective barrier over wounds, preventing bacteria and other harmful microorganisms from entering and causing infection. Its antimicrobial properties further inhibit the growth of bacteria, ensuring that your wounds heal without complications. With castor oil as your healing companion, you can trust in its ability to promote swift recovery and protect against infection, allowing you to get back to feeling your best in no time. Number 3. Liver detoxification. Revitalize your body with the cleansing power of castor oil. Supports liver function. Keep your liver in top shape. Castor oil supports liver function by aiding in the removal of toxins and waste products from the body, helping to maintain optimal liver health and function. Detoxifies the body. Say goodbye to toxins. Castor oil acts as a natural detoxifier, helping to eliminate toxins and impurities from the body, leaving you feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and revitalized. With castor oil as your detox ally, you can support your liver's vital role in detoxification and enjoy the benefits of a cleaner, healthier body from the inside out. Number 2. Eye strain relief. Give your eyes the tender loving care, TLC, they deserve with castor oil. Reduces eye fatigue. Say goodbye to tired eyes. Castor oil helps reduce eye fatigue by providing lubrication and moisture to the eyes, relieving dryness and discomfort caused by prolonged screen time or environmental factors. Soothes tired eyes. Refresh and rejuvenate your eyes. Castor oil's soothing properties help calm tired and irritated eyes, reducing redness and inflammation while promoting a sense of relaxation and comfort. With castor oil as your natural eye soother, you can bid farewell to eye strain and enjoy clearer, brighter, and more comfortable vision every day. Number 1. Reduction. Find your calm amidst life's chaos with the soothing effects of castor oil. Acts as a natural stress reliever. Say goodbye to stress. Castor oil acts as a natural stress reliever, helping to ease tension and promote relaxation in both the body and mind. Its calming properties help alleviate feelings of anxiety and overwhelm, allowing you to unwind and find peace in the midst of chaos. Calms the mind and body. Relax and rejuvenate. Castor oil's gentle yet potent properties work to calm the mind and soothe the body, helping to reduce stress levels and promote a sense of overall well-being. Whether you're facing a hectic day or struggling to unwind at night, castor oil is your go-to remedy for finding tranquility and balance. With castor oil as your stress relief companion, you can embrace each day with a greater sense of calm and serenity, knowing that you have the power to navigate life's challenges with grace and ease. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from me. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.